Well, we take a start with IELTS speaking part 1 and the topic is mobile phones. My first question is, how often do you use mobile phones?
Well, I regularly use my mobile phone for different purposes, like whenever I inform someone or call someone. So that's why.
Can speak a bit louder so that everybody could understand what you're saying. Okay, can you describe your mobile phone?
Yeah, I have a Note 8 Samsung model new, and
Just talk about some features of the mobile and all that.
my cell phone has a lot of features, and I enjoy it very well.
Okay, but you need to focus your mobile phone. Like, can you describe your mobile phone? Well, I've got a Samsung Note 8 mobile. It's got all the latest features and I can easily use it with any application whatsoever. So it's a very nice phone like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What was your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone was Nokia 3310.
3310. 3310. You should say 3310 exactly, not 3310.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was my first mobile phone, and
Okay.
after that I changed it.
After that, I changed many mobile sets.
Yes, sir.
Just speak bit louder, and you have to be confident and don't speak in a hurry. That after 1 to 2 sentences, that's it. No, you need to just answer again. What was your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone was 3310, right? And after that I changed many mobile
Just
phones.
talk about first mobile phone a little.
Okay.
My first mobile phone was Nokia 3300 or 3310, and that was a very simple and basic mobile. It didn't have any internet connection and all that, but for that time it was quite good, or at that time it was quite good. Don't talk about other sets and just talk about your first mobile set. Okay, would you like to buy a new mobile in the future?
I think the mobile phone I have, that is much better as compared to new models. So that's why I don't think I need to change my mobile phone in future.
Okay. All right. How has your mobile phone changed your life?
My mobile phone changed my life in different ways. Whenever I have to meet someone, I reminders and alarms using my mobile phone, and sometimes I love to watch some movies, dramas in my mobile phone and have lot of fun.
Okay, you can say my mobile phone has changed my life upside down. I found someone on mobile phone and that person changed my life altogether. Okay, it's a funny answer. So listen up. You don't have to be extra polite when you are answering the questions, and don't give a very quick and short answer. You know, in Punjabi you say jaan chudao agge challo. Jaan chudao agge challo. 2-3 sentences you answer and then you're waiting for next sentence. Just relax. Answer the question in a very, what do you say, relaxed manner. Okay, and don't say 3-4 things. I mean, for example, would you like to buy a new mobile phone in the future? Yes, I would like to buy a new mobile phone. Yeah, it is important. I will buy it one day. What was your first mobile phone? Yes, my first mobile phone was Nokia. I mean, don't go around in circles. Try to answer. There should be information part, and that is what examiner is going to evaluate. Okay. If you give something, now for example, you say, sir, I have made delicious custard for you. I say, wow, that's amazing, huh? So please give me some. And you bring a plate and you say, ba ungli ke saath jitna lagta hai laga le, and just enjoy that. So I would not be able to tell you the taste and sweetness and all that. So what you present, the examiner will give you band score on that. So if it is going to be too little, too short, you will not be able to get good band score. Okay. So answer in a relaxed way, at least 4-5 solid sentences. When I say the word solid, doesn't mean the hathode wale solid, it means good sentences which are related to the topic. Now if the topic is how often do you use mobile phone, I use mobile phone every day because it has become an essential part of my life. My day starts with my mobile phone when the alarm rings, and throughout the day I use several applications. So I think I use my mobile 24/7. है कोई मुश्किल?
No.
आप लोगों के लिए है, क्यों है? मतलब एक माइंड है ना, माइंड क्या है? आई हैव टू आंसर एवरी क्वेश्चन. Second, I have to give a beautiful answer to every question. Now, what I said, I don't do it. I don't do it. I'm not telling you the reality. I'm just giving you a fabricated answer. Fabricated means like, exaggerated answer. That's what you need to give to the examiner and you'll get good band score. Yeah, it's just like makeup. You might have seen some videos before and after.
Yes.
So it's just like before and after, that look you have to give. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.